So I would like to show you what a safe room looks like. This is a new construction. So the room is put in before the final details, such as drywall, is put in. Let me close the door to show you what it looks like. Okay. This one is about 35 inches wide. It's 60 and a half, a little more than 60 and a half inches long. It's designed for 4 people. Let me show you what it looks like from the inside. It sounds creepy, this door. It sounds like a submarine, doesn't it? Okay. So you can see there's plenty of room for 6 people. I guess it depends on how large you are, but for little kids, you can probably fit in 6 kids easily. But this is designed for only 4 people. And there are 4 latches. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be a great place to protect yourself from an intruder. It's probably bulletproof, except for this glass. Okay. So, there you have it. This is what a safe room looks like.